Hello, welcome to the Mizar Signal Provider onboarding video. My name is Blockhead from CopyTrade, and I'm going to tell you how to do just that. Mizar is a subscription-free platform, so it is so easy for customers to use and get access to. Instead of fixed fees, it offers performance fees. That means there are absolutely no upper limits as to how much as a provider you can earn. There is some of the most advanced DCA bot logic available from any retail platform out there, not to mention the awesome referral program, which allows you to earn from all of your referrals for life. Easy and instant marketplace updates, so you no longer have to wait for your account manager to come online to make those vital updates. And lastly, the Galaxy Funds, where Mizar will be reinvesting back into you. So let's get started. Head on over to Mizar.ai and sign up with your trading email address. Now the hard part is done, it is time to apply to become a signal provider. First, fill out the form that you can find at Mizar.ai partnerships/signal provider. Simply use the same email address that you used to sign up to on Mizar. You will be contacted by one of the Mizar team. Next, it is a case of hopping on a 30-minute onboarding call where you can ask all of the questions of your heart's desire. Then the meat on the bones, you've got to develop your DCA or API bots. Then go ahead, activate that bot and strategy and let Mizar systems monitor your strategies for at least 14 days. Once that box is ticked, submit your strategy for publishing and get accepted by Mizar. And finally, get copied and earn. Now, once you are logged in and connected your exchange, let's take a look at creating a bot. Head on over to DCA bots or API bots, depending on what your strategy requires. For the purpose of this, we'll take a look at DCA bots. Just simply click Develop a Bot, or if you already have a bot, then Create a Bot. This is where you'll fill out all of the details for your bots, everything from safety order coefficients and volume, as well as take profit targets, and should you need it, a stop loss. Now, in regards to the actual integration, it is important to make sure you either select API or TradingView Webhook API. And this will dictate what the starting conditions will be for the bot. Should you be looking to use API, then head on over to API Bots, develop a bot, and you'll simply fill out the details here with the exchange and the relevant pairs and hit Create Bot. Once done, you'll be able to find either your API bots or DCA TradingView bots just here, where you can edit them, start them, review them, and once a provider, you'll be able to also publish them as well. Great stuff. Now you've got your bot ready to rock and roll. So let's take a look on how to make that public. Head on over to your DCA bot page or your API bots page, where we originally looked at where you can view the strategy, activate the strategy, edit the strategy, and there is this little icon here, which will allow you to publish your strategy to the marketplace. Select that, where you can change the strategy name, the strategy description that will appear on the marketplace, but probably most important to you, the performance fee. One caveat is 5% is the minimum. This is in order to ensure that all strategy providers remain competitive and on an even playing ground. Once up and running, this is where you'll find your strategy appear on the strategies page and the marketplace. And this is where you can see your performance and how it looks to the rest of the world. One great thing about Mizar is the performance, as you can see here, is directly related to your master strategy. That means it isn't pulled from all strategies and all users using it, which means it also cannot be brought down by misuse of the strategy or people potentially maliciously acting against it. It also means that any changes, closing of trades, stopping of the strategy that you may do will directly affect the performance as it appears on the marketplace. Of course, you're here to get paid, so let's check out how to check your performance fees. Click up here on the menu and head on down to Trader Manager. And this brings you through to the Trader Manager, which gives you a running total of your monthly P&L, the number of followers on all of your strategies, and the entire accounts under management, as well as the fees due to be expected at the end of each month. And of course, payment, where your monthly performance fees will be automatically distributed to your Mizar wallet in BUSD, and it could not be simpler to withdraw. Hit withdraw, simply add in your wallet address on the Binance Smart Chain and the amount you want to withdraw, and hit go. Last but not least, let's talk referrals. Head on over to the top right hand corner to the drop down menu and select referrals. it'll bring you through to the referral dashboard, where you can check your referral rate, your affiliate links, as well as the number of people you have referred and how much they're earning you per month. The referral is based on the volume of the users, therefore it's not a one-off payment. You'll be earning for as long as the users are using the Mizar platform. Also, it is so easy to increase your referral rate. Just head on over to learn more and check out this table. And it shows that you can earn up to 45% and so easily by investing in either Mizar tokens or simply increasing the volume that you're trading. So even with a small to medium-sized community, this can dramatically increase the potential earnings. And the best bit, all of your customers will receive a 5% discount on their volume fees too. And pow, you are a strategy provider on Mizar. If you have any questions or queries, then off the main screen, just hit that support button, which will take you through to the Mizar Discord. Congratulations, and I look forward to trying your strategy.